This is the master lock number 410. This is a lockout tagout lock. As you can see, you cannot remove the key unless you close the lock. This is a safety feature of the LOTO locks. This one has 6 pins. 5 of these are spool pins, and then you've got one serrated slash kind of standard-ish pin on number 5. This core is pretty decent, although we do have a little piece of warding that sticks out, making it hard to kind of get your pick in there and get a good angle. You definitely want to make sure that you do not turn the core past this little plastic piece right here. If you do, you can accidentally rattle the core. Alright, we're just going to be using top keyway tension on this one and the general reach profile from Covert Instruments. Now, the main thing about this lock is that you've got to set a bunch of spools. So just go in and feel for anything that's binding and give it a click. You really want to aim for getting a false set, right? Once you get your false set, you just have to set a couple spools. But right now I'm just going in and trying to set anything that's binding. Got a couple clicks there. And now I am after this pin number 5, which gave me a really nice false set. Now I'm just basically checking for any counter rotation. Now this can be hard because this is a dead core, so sometimes you have to let off attention a whole lot in order to feel that counter rotation. But once you get the hang of it, it's not that bad. And yeah, so I'm checking for counter rotation. I got some right here. Trying to get my pick right underneath that pin can be tricky. All right, and there it is. We're open. Now, again, guys, it's important to note, do not turn that core past that little plastic part. And if you don't turn the core this entire way, sometimes you can't get the shackle to pop either. Make sure you close the core when you're done taking pictures and showing off, because you don't want to join the rattle club, okay? Subscribe.